Ever felt like your life, your work, your projects are just a giant, disorganized pile of sticky notes? You're juggling deadlines, tasks, ideas, and somehow, things are slipping through the cracks. It's like trying to herd cats in a hurricane, right? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to bring order to that chaos? A visual system that could help you see the big picture and manage the tiny details all in one place. That's where Trello comes in. You've probably heard of it. Maybe you've even dabbled with it a bit. But have you ever stopped to wonder, why is Trello so incredibly popular? Why do millions of people, from individuals to Fortune 500 companies, swear by this seemingly simple tool? Let's rewind a bit. Before the digital age, we had physical task boards. Remember those cork boards covered in sticky notes, index cards, and scribbled to-do lists? They were visual, tactile, and surprisingly effective. But they were also limited. You couldn't easily share them, collaborate remotely, or track progress in real time. Then came the digital revolution and project management tools started popping up everywhere. But many of them were complex, feature-heavy, and frankly intimidating. They felt more like navigating a spaceship than organizing your day. So what was the missing piece? What did people really need? Well, they needed something simple, something visual, something flexible. And that's exactly what Trello delivered. At its core, Trello is based on the Kanban system, a Japanese method for visualizing workflow. It's all about breaking down tasks into manageable steps and moving them through a series of stages, typically represented by columns. Think of it as a digital whiteboard, but with superpowers. So, let's break down the key reasons why Trello has become such a beloved tool. 1. Simplicity and intuitive design. Trello is incredibly easy to learn and use. You don't need a degree in project management to get started. The interface is clean, uncluttered, and visually appealing. You create boards, lists, and cards, and you can drag and drop them with ease. It's designed to mimic the physical experience of moving sticky notes on a board, making it instantly familiar. The simplicity is deceptive, though. Underneath the hood, Trello is surprisingly powerful. You can customize your boards, add labels, due dates, attachments, checklists, and more. But you only use what you need. It's a tool that adapts to you, not the other way around. 2. Visual organization and clarity. Humans are visual creatures. We process information much more effectively when it's presented visually. Trello excels at this. By visualizing your workflow, you can instantly see the status of your tasks, identify bottlenecks, and track progress at a glance. The visual layout allows for a clear understanding of the project's overall progress. You can see what's in progress, what's completed, and what's still waiting to be done. This transparency fosters accountability and keeps everyone on the same page. 3. Flexibility and adaptability. Trello isn't just for project management. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes. You can use it for personal tasks, team projects, content calendars, event planning, recipe organization, and even home renovations. The possibilities are endless. You can customize your boards to fit your specific needs. You can create different lists for different stages of your workflow, add custom fields, and use labels to categorize your tasks. This flexibility makes Trello suitable for individuals and teams of all sizes and industries. 4. Collaboration and teamwork. Trello makes collaboration a breeze. You can invite team members to your boards, assign tasks, and communicate directly within the cards. This eliminates the need for endless email chains and keeps all communication in one place. You can also use Trello to share files, leave comments, and track activity. This makes it easy for everyone to stay informed and up to date on the project's progress. 5. Power UPS and integrations. Trello offers a wide range of Power UPS, which are essentially add-ons that extend the functionality of your boards. You can integrate Trello with other popular tools, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox, to streamline your workflow. Power UPS allow you to customize Trello to fit your specific needs and preferences. You can add features like calendar views, time tracking, and automation. This makes Trello even more powerful and versatile. 6. Mobile accessibility. In today's fast-paced world, we need to be able to access our information on the go. Trello offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your tasks from anywhere. The mobile apps are just as intuitive and user-friendly as the web version. You can create boards, lists, and cards, add attachments, and collaborate with your team, all from your smartphone or tablet. 7. Affordability and accessibility. Trello offers a free plan that's perfect for individuals and small teams. The free plan includes unlimited boards, lists, and cards, as well as a generous amount of storage. Trello also offers paid plans with additional features, such as advanced checklists, custom backgrounds, and priority support. However, the free plan is more than enough for most users. This makes Trello an accessible tool for everyone, regardless of their budget. 8. The psychological impact of completion. There's something incredibly satisfying about dragging a card from to-do to done. It's a visual representation of progress, a tangible reminder of what you've accomplished. This feeling of accomplishment can be incredibly motivating. Trello's visual nature makes it easy to see your progress and celebrate your wins. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. It's a tool that's adaptable to any workflow, any project, any individual. It's a tool that helps you see the big picture, manage the tiny details, and achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.